Hello, Kshu. How do you feel about cooking with me today?
Excited. What are we going to cook today?
It's gonna be a trout gravlax with a flatbread. It's a recipe you need to make in advance. So you're gonna have the trout fillet. For the gravlax, we're gonna use salt, brown sugar, a Labrador leaf, coriander, mustard, camelina oil, and some sake.
Let's start.
So first, we mix it.
I'm very curious, why did you choose the Hotel Queen Elizabeth to work for?
It's one of the biggest hotels in Montreal. So when I knew they were looking for a chef, I thought it was a really nice challenge and interesting challenge. Just cover it like that.
Okay.
And you, how long have you been working for Accor Hotel?
Almost 1 year and a half. I work in merchandising team of the guest service department. I work mainly for the animation of the site agahotel.com. I work with different teams and I coordinate.
Okay. And we're gonna let it rest on the fridge for 15 hours. We have our trout. With that, we're gonna do our tartine. Usually we cook it on a grill. Today we're gonna cook it on a pan.
So what's your must-have ingredient when you're cooking?
I really love pepper because there is so much different kind of peppers. One's gonna be strong, one's gonna be a little bit minty. So now we're gonna cook our bread, and we want it to be not fluffy like the usual kind of bread we have. And where are you from?
I'm from the north part of China, a small city called Wuhan, which is not very far from Beijing.
And the difference between food in China?
Chinese food focus more on the way that we make it. For example, the ingredient, we are going to fry it, we are going to marinate it. For the Canadian food, we care more about the resources itself, ingredients. You care very much about if it's fresh and if it could add the special nature flavor to the dishes.
Yeah.
It smells so good, really.
Now we're gonna do our tartine.
Did you reflect some Canadian culture in your dishes?
Yeah, I try to, like the bread, it's really an homage to the first native Canadian. What kind of cuisine do you cook?
I cook mainly Chinese cuisine, but
yeah.
after I came to France, I try to add some French ingredients or French elements to my Chinese cuisine.
Okay, nice. And that's it?
Thank you.
So, bon appétit.
Bon appetit.
I hope it's good.
Yeah,
You like it?
it's quite nice and it's very fresh actually. Thank you for the amazing adventure today and teach me how to make this dish, and I will practice it at home, I promise.
Thanks to you, it was a pleasure.